So here's original RUMMIKUB app. So you can see 10,000 ratings. So you can play the classic RUMMIKUB game online with your friends, family, or players from all around the world. Yeah, you can choose to connect with your Facebook account, Game Center, or as a guest, collect a daily bonus, and get rewarded for coming back every day. Play online with millions of RUMMIKUB players from all around the world and try to win as many points as you can to become the RUMMIKUB master. Custom game, private game, practice game. So yeah, all of the details you have in here. So yeah, just double click to install it. And then yeah, #1 board game in the world. Play both online and offline. Join millions of RUMMIKUB players. Win and become the RUMMIKUB master. So here is the app. And then yeah, and then basically you just can play it, and that's basically your tutorial. And that's basically now you can just start playing it. Whatever. So basically you can just play, and that's the idea. So you can just play, and yeah, pretty cool app for that. I think this is the best yeah, RUMMIKUB app. So try it out. Here is the app. There is also like a paid version. I don't know why this one is. So you can play as much as you want, so there is no limitation. And yeah, so that's the idea.